close, babe.
Set number 1. Sending the clowns. Why not?
They're all the way in the back. Hey, shut up! I mean, they're probably used to that. I'm doing the car because they feel like
Oh, that was a girl. That's not scary. That's funny. I take that back.
And get back to the safety of the car.
she's supposed to give it up.
Ryan became a victim.
Camera's pointing the wrong way, dude.
What? I know. That's.
I'm gonna go back.
There you go.
Okay. I got something. I was about to pull out some money.
Come on. Is it long?
Yeah. Oh yeah, thanks for distracting me.
Chris, do you know how much I'm going to kick your ass when I get back to the car?
I don't care. It'll ease the pain and make me forget. I'll do it to you next. Oh God.
That guy sounded like he scared the crap out of me in the other place. He snorted at me.
Didn't we just see him pass by?
No.
Oh God.
For the love of God, don't show me this.
I get a little Crystal Lake. But that's Friday the 13th, right? What actually? I think it's
Phantom Manor? I thought that was in Paris.
that map, dude.
Ew.
Don't be so tense, man. Like
Hey
that.
guys.
I don't know, I've had a bad experience.
Help me! You're taking pictures, help me!
Watch your lens.
I have no idea where that's even coming from. How so weird that this place looks just.
What are you gonna do about it, boy? No, I won't leave you alone. I'll never leave you alone. Never! You have a job, Mr. Norman.
This place looks just like Phantom Manor in Paris. Look at that.
What's that from?
Disneyland Paris. Except it's a little taller, 1 story higher.
Everybody hug, all right? Get her. Ready?
No. Grand finale. Oh God, we're going there? I thought we were just gonna go cut through. All right. That's what I sometimes did. I don't know why I do the in the first place.
What was that?
Oh, guys, we're on Elm Street. He could be behind one of those things. That's not him. I can't see. I'm being blinded, as if I can't see any other girl. Even in that pile of dirt? Or in that can?
Be careful, these zombies do smell fear.
World plane brand. The road is over there. Remember? The road goes that way.
See. I was just kidding.
Did you jump?
It's got that baby carriage.
Please help my baby. Please help my baby.
There's a guy behind there. Watch out.
Destroy us all! Destroy us all! I have the chicken. Someone needs a makeover. Freddy over there too.
They're teasing you. Oh God, it's Freddy.
Right here, dude. Give it! Give it!
Son of a... Ah.